Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in an Epson XP4105. Unlike other Epson printers you may have used in the past, with this particular model you can't just open up the scanner bed on the top and have the cradle move over. It will remain tucked over to the side with this obscuring it. And now, no matter what you do, don't go trying to physically move this cradle. You can damage the printer and it's just not good for the machine. Now this can be done directly from the printer using nothing but the control panel on the front. So we're going to use the arrows and move along till we get to maintenance. Press OK. Now ink cartridge replacement is the fourth option down. So go down to that, press OK. Now the printer will do most of this for us, so we'll click next. The screen will attempt to take you through this step by step anyway. But now, once you hit this screen with the estimated ink levels, it's time to open up the top of the printer. So we open up the top of the printer, and you'll see the printer has moved the cartridge cradle over into this position, taking it past this little rigid plastic that would otherwise stop it. So all of my cartridges are actually fine, but I'll show you on one of these. You just reach in, and at the back of the cartridge there's like a little clip you press down. With that suppressed, it should be relatively easy to get that cartridge out. Pull towards you makes it a little bit easier. Take your new cartridge, which is definitely not the one I just took out, pop them back in, click it down till you hear a nice click, and you know that's done. Obviously repeat that process with any of the cartridges that you need to sort. Lift that, slide that down, then we return to the LCD screen. Now back on the screen you can see the printer can tell we've messed around with the black cartridge, and we just indicate to it that we're okay. The printer will just double check the cartridges, make sure it's completely happy, and in a second you'll briefly be presented with this screen showing you that the ink cartridge replacement is successful, then you'll be returned to the main screen. And it's as simple as that. But that's about all there is to see. If you found this video useful, please do give us a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.